We at SAP strive to always provide our customers with the best experience. We do realize that sometimes there may be unforeseen events that may impact your business. We take this very seriously.
Did you know that in addition to tools like the Cloud Availability Center and SAP Trust Center, there's a team of communication experts assembled to ensure all teams across SAP are immediately informed and equipped to better support you?
You might be interested to know that on the rare occasion when a major cloud incident does occur, we have a secret weapon, us. Our global team activates instantly to make sure all SAP experts such as support teams, executives, and your SAP representative have the most current insights so they can provide the best possible care to you.
This may include information such as what has happened, how it is being resolved, why the incident occurred and how long the incident lasted, and who's working on protecting you. While all hands are on deck to mitigate these incidents, we are on the front line making sure that all SAP team receives all critical information.
Our team is working relentlessly to ensure complete transparency for you and your SAP team. This is our promise to you.